Hi, beautiful. This is part 2 for those of us that are sensual and want a ritual to take us out of our heads into our bodies so that we can start to feel juicy and turned on and lit up. You can do this daily, you can do this a few times a day, or just when you need that switch from everyday life to feeling turned on. Let's go ahead and just sway side to side here. Closing the eyes anytime it feels good for you. Sometimes it could even be fun to blindfold yourself, right? That's really good to feed a sensual sometimes. Let's shrug the shoulders up and back. So shrug the right shoulder when you turn right and left shoulder when you sway left. Let your breath move through you. Let's bring our right hand to feel up the left side body, maybe over onto the chest. Maybe even use your nails if that feels good, awakening the senses here. And bring the left hand to touch the right arm. I like a little bit of nails here. Maybe you like it really soft. Bring it over onto the chest, maybe both hands on the neck. And then run your fingers and hands through your hair, maybe massage your scalp. Maybe pull your hair a little bit, whatever feels good for you here. And let's start to take some heart circles. Inhale forward, exhale, draw it back. Breathing on the inhale as you move forward, exhale, draw back. And take it in the opposite direction. And then making your way back in center, sit back on your heels, knees spread wide. Let's take some hip circles here. Hands can move along the body if that feels good. And take the circles in the opposite direction. And come back to center. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, come down. And see how your energy has shifted.